Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to clear your Snapchat My AI chat conversation on your Android phone. In this video we will learn this guys. So as you can see guys, I have some chat conversation with my Snapchat AI. As you can see, now I want to clear this. To clear this guys, go back first like this, and in the top left side corner of your screen you can get your contact icon. Just tap on it. Okay, from here open the settings. In the settings, scroll down. Here you can get the option clear my AI data. Just tap on it. Okay, and then just confirm this. Now your AI data was clear. Go back to your AI. As you can see guys, your AI data was clear of your Snapchat. Okay, so this is the easy and simple method to clear my AI chat conversation for your Snapchat. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.